Hi everybody, Troy here from Troy's Hobbies, back again for another package unboxing. Today we're going to open from Amazon. This is the Amir 3-in-1 photo lens kit. Go ahead and get down to it, open it up. I'm going to go ahead and bring the camera in closer. This is actually my wife's phone. She's letting me use this so I can show you guys how to attach it. We have the same phone, iPhone 7 Plus. I'm using my iPhone 7 Plus to record. Okay, so first thing we want to do is remove the case per the instructions. So this is the Amir, A-M-I-R 3-in-1 photo lens kit. It's a budget-friendly lens kit. It comes with 3 different lenses. Bought it off of Amazon. Check down below. I'll have the link down below. So really quick, let's go ahead and unbox it. Instruction manual has if there's any issues, tells you how to fix it. User manual. The instructions are actually really good, and it's in English and I believe German. And it tells you it comes with one fisheye with a 230-degree field of view. It comes with a 0.65x wide-angle lens. Maximum angle on the wide-angle lens is 140 degrees. High-quality technical image effect. That's what they're saying here. That's what I'm reading to you guys. And then it comes with a macro lens. Incredible focal distance of 2 to 5 centimeters for some amazing 15x macro shots. So make sure you get really close in there for those close shots. Okay, once again, you get the clip. Really easy to use, depending if you're going to use it for landscape or portraits. And just basically this side is where the lens screws in. And so if you're going to use it for selfie, you can put the lens on and put it like that. Make sure the camera lens is in the middle. And then around the back, of course, you just make sure you have it centered on the camera lens, like that. And then what we'll do is we'll go ahead and screw on the lens I want to use. Now this kit comes with 3 lenses, so pull each one out. This is the 230-degree fisheye lens. So if you want to get that fisheye look, it has a lens cap on the back and on the front, which is pretty cool. You know, you don't want to make sure you put the lens back on the caps after you're done using them, so you don't get dirt inside. So this is the front. That's what the fisheye looks like, and it's the back. We'll go ahead and put those aside. Next one. They all look alike. You have to read the side here. It tells you right on the side what it is. This is the 0.65x wide angle lens. So same thing. Front cover. Dirt cover in the back. See, they all look the same. It just tells you on the side what they do. So this is the wide angle lens. And then the last one, this is the macro lens for those extreme close-ups. So same thing, it has a lens cover on the front and a dirt cover, debris cover shield in the back. And that's the macro lens. So I'm going to mainly use the wide angle lens for selfies and doing videos and stuff. So we'll go ahead and, this is the wide angle lens. We'll go ahead and clean the front and the back of the lens and install it on the clip. Very simple. Here's the clip. All you got to do is take your time. Don't cross thread it. The threads are a little on the fine side. So take your time. Screw it on. Don't force it until it stops. You're good to go. Let me go ahead and get a lens cloth. I should be using a lens cloth. So really quick, just kind of clean it down where I think I touched the lens a little bit. So this is the wide angle lens, and it's a 0.65x wide angle lens. This is the one I'll be using more often. But today I'm going to try all 3 of them out and give you different examples, photos, video, see what it looks like if using the lenses for video. See what the different looks are. This is more of, not a review. Of course, I just opened it. So it's more of an unboxing and trial run, first trial run. So there it is. That's the wide angle lens. Okay, make sure, I think I've said it several times already, Make sure you clean the lens, or, you know, the camera also on your phone. Make sure it's clean of debris. And we're going to do photos first. So what we'll do is we'll have it this way. See if I can get it in the frame here. Now all you got to do is center it over the lens. And then when you got it in the ballpark, all you got to do is, this is my wife's phone, so I'm trying to figure out how to, camera. Okay, now we're back on camera, and I can see through it. See if you can see me. You can see my hand, I can see through it. So I'm gonna take some shots, or some video with the normal lens of the camera, and then of course with the wide angle, and you'll see the difference. But this is the wide angle lens, so this is great for using a gimbal and get those wide shots, so you're a little further back away from the camera, not in the face. Nobody needs to see my ugliness up close. But anyways, this is the wide angle lens, and so now keep a lookout on the house here on this side, and the house to the right. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take off the wide angle lens. See how much closer? That house almost vanished, and I'm further in on that house. So that's the wide angle lens. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip it around. I hope you guys can hear me, it's windy. I'm gonna flip this around and put it on the front. All right, folks, I'm looking down my little road here, my little community out here in eastern Washington. Sorry for the noise, the background noise. It is windy, but it's beautiful. The sun is out. We have a snowstorm coming in, so I want to take advantage of the light. So it's harder to put the lens on, because on the iPhone 7 Plus, the camera has a little bump out, the lens. So it takes a little more effort to get this into position. So bear with me, and let's go ahead and put this on. So this is what it looks like right now. You can see a little of the porch to the left and the greenhouse to the right. So let me get this without making everybody dizzy. So all you got to do is move it around until all corners are clear. And I believe I have everything clear. Just kind of move it around. But you can see more of the house to the left and to the house to the right. There you go. And I'll have the link down below, and watch out for a flash sale, lightning sale I believe they call it on Amazon. I got this for like cheap. I couldn't believe it, so that's the reason I gave it a try. So this is with the wide angle lens on. Let's go ahead and walk around. Now I got the corner of the flagpole on my left here, this side, and to the right you can see the greenhouse. Now watch what happens when I take the wide angle lens off. No more flagpole, and I see less of the house to the right here. So pretty cool. So let's go ahead and give the other lenses a try. Those I haven't messed with. This is the main one I'll be using as the wide angle lens. Alright, this time, standard lens on the iPhone 7 Plus. I attached the fisheye. So this is what it looks like. No wide angle lens, just the normal lens that comes with the iPhone 7. Sorry for the noise, wind is still there. Let's go ahead and put this fisheye lens on, see what happens. There it is. Fisheye lens. Just kind of move it around, get the best, make sure you're kind of centered. So it looks like I'm centered, so that's what it looks like. Let's go ahead and pan around my little community here. This is the fisheye lens. I really like this 3-piece kit. My wife ordered me a 10-piece kit from another brand, and so I'll be trying that out and testing that one tomorrow. But it comes with 10 lenses, but it might be too much lens, too much stuff to carry around. We'll see. I need to use these more often, but this is the fisheye lens. So let's go ahead and switch it around and put it on the front camera. All right, I have the fisheye on the front of the camera. That's what it looks like. Let's go ahead and turn around so you can see what it looks like. I actually like it better for selfies. It's harder to attach it to the this side of the camera because of that little bump out for the camera lens that the phone has. So maybe if your camera lens is flat with the surface, it'll be easier to position. But this is the fisheye lens. So next we'll go ahead and try the macro lens. That one, I don't know if I'll be able to take videos with it. It's not made for videos. It's made for photos, close-up photos. So I'll find something to take photos of. So anyways, let's take off this fisheye. That's what it looks like normally. All right, be right back. All right, next is the macro lens. I doubt you'll see anything on the video because it's made for close-ups, like an inch, 2 inches away. So I gotta find something around here that's not covered in snow or not trying to blow away from this wind. And you probably won't see video. I'll show you the before and after of the photos, but this is what it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. See, you're not gonna see anything. You gotta be like really close to get to be in focus. So let's go ahead and take something. Let's find something to take a close-up picture of. Be right back. I couldn't find anything to photograph that would stay put in this wind. I still wanted to stay out here because it has better natural light. But all I could find or use right now was this dime. You can see right there. So I'm using the normal iPhone camera. It's not zoomed in like that, it's zoomed all the way out. And so we're going to use this macro lens, put it on, take some photos, because video will be useless. So this is what it looks like, or if I get closer with the iPhone, or if I zoom in with the iPhone, that's what it looks like that. See how close I can get with the iPhone. Let's go ahead and bring it back out, and let's go ahead and put the macro lens on, take some photos. Well folks, this wraps up the video. Some final thoughts on the first test of the 3-in-1 kit. I like the wide lens. I'm using it right now, in fact, to finish up this video. The macro lens, I don't know if that's something I would normally use. I still need to mess around with it. Sorry for the camera shaking. It is cold. We have a snowstorm supposed to come back in the next few hours. So it's a little cold out here. I didn't wear no gloves. So anyways, I'm using the wide lens right now. I like that a lot. As you can see, I'm using it. The macro lens, I don't know if that's something I'd use a lot. Maybe. I need more time with it. This is the first trial run. The fisheye, cool. Maybe for pictures. I don't see using it for a lot of videos. After a while, it kind of gets boring. So anyways, if this helps with your product selection on Amazon, maybe you were looking at the same exact brand and model, and if this helps you choose, I hope this video helped you. And if it did, please give it a like, give me a sub. I'm a small channel. Small channels do matter. And so pretty soon I'm gonna get back to the house and upload this video. Actually, get in my vehicle and find a good spot for high-speed cell service. I live out in the country. I have no high-speed internet at home, so I do everything on my cell phone. So anyways, after this, the next review will be, this is the Apexel, I believe it's called, APEXEL 10-in-1 photo lens kit. So this is going to be the next video. So please, 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 if you like this video, please give me a like. I'd appreciate it. You have a blessed day. Goodbye.